Hello! If we've never met, my name is Grace, and I'm a mom of 2 little cutie pies. I'm currently on a journey to lower my A1C after 2 rounds of gestational diabetes during my pregnancies. So join me today as I grocery shop for the week and make food that does our bodies good. Good morning, y'all! Happy Monday. I am very happy to report that everybody is back to their tip-top health.
I just sent the girls to school. Everybody's clear to go to school.
And we're gonna make our matcha now. That was a rough beginning of the year for all of us. But I'm just glad we're all okay now.
Nani?
Oh my gosh, yeah. My friend who just came back from Japan got me Ippudo matcha. So that's what we're gonna be making our matcha with today. In case you don't know what Ippudo is, it's one of the best matcha brands out of Japan. If you've never tried it, I'm pretty sure they're on Amazon. You can get them on Amazon. So we're gonna be making our matcha with this beautiful, let me show you just that vibrant green. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's just so green. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I gotta show y'all. Look at that. Okay, here we go. And then start the show. Oh yeah, she's beauty, she's Grace. And she is gonna be consumed by Grace. I'm so excited. Here's to another Matcha Monday. Oh no, it's almost done. Let's freaking eat. Look at her. She a cutie pie. So I have decided to follow Jesus. Just kidding, but really, I have decided to follow Jesus. But also, I have decided that today is gonna be
Day 1.
I am hopping back in to 75 hard. It's gonna be so hard, but it is my second time doing it, so I have more of a point of reference of how hard it's gonna be. And last year I did it in the fall, which was the best thing ever at that time because
My doctor was really getting onto my grind
about my A1C because I was pre-diabetic. And after 75 hard, I successfully reversed my pre-diabetes, which is insane, like absolutely insane. And I was so proud of myself. But then of course the holidays came and I decided to
Take it easy and enjoy myself.
Then I had another annual physical December 31st, just like 3 weeks ago. And
Of course.
my doctor is again on my gears about working on my blood sugar. So I figured now is a good time to hop back on it because your A1C is like, it takes the average of your blood sugar levels over 3 months of time. And I have
A Korea trip planned.
later this year in the spring.
So I need that average to be kind of low in the beginning of the year.
So I can enjoy myself when I'm in Korea. You see what I'm doing? And for the diet that I'm following for 75 hard, it's just gonna be no refined sugar and no rice. I'm gonna be eating a lot of high protein. Actually, I'm not even gonna call it high protein because let's face it, I feel like I'm never eating enough protein, but I'm gonna be having a protein focused diet while looking for carb alternatives that will help me keep my carbs as low as possible. And that's why you'll see me eating things like this. The apples will be a little bit sweet, but I didn't add any other sweetener. And the cashew butter actually has no sugar added, but cashews just
Taste sweet, like they naturally taste sweet to me for some reason.
I love cashews so much. And that's how I'm gonna get around to not eating sugar. Listen, we just finished our chia pudding, and I'm telling you, every single time I have it, I'm about to go to the bathroom right now. It seriously washes me. I gotta go, but it works so well. We are here, and I'm getting to shop kid-free today. There are no kids in the bag, so I think it's gonna be a quick and easy trip. Got my little list here, so let's get going. Y'all, why does this sound so good? It's mala huasanjiang, so mala peanut butter, and that just sounds like a combination that works. I've never heard of it. So I recently realized that they sell miso in two forms. The first form is soft and creamy, kind of like peanut butter, and then the second form is like rough and kind of crunchy, I guess, where the beans aren't totally crunched up. Some of these are like, you can see the grinds are not fully, like not totally blended up, but then these are like super soft. I'm guessing for like soups. So I looked it up, and it's apparently a modern cooking trend where people started adding miso to like salads and stir fry instead of just soup, because if it's soup, then you just need the creamy ones. I was like, wow, I would have never thought to add miso to anything else other than soup. The more you know. Finished our workout, and I think for lunch we are feeling a little bit of a tofucado situation,
which will get me all the protein I need for the day.
I think, and some healthy fats. Lemon juice. Let's get cooking. Tofu. Beautiful block. It's still fresh. Oh, okay. She pretty. Splash of rice vinegar or lemon juice. Soy sauce. Let's eat. I got some nori or seaweed, cucumbers, and our tofucado. Protein for days. Cheers.
I will look more nori. I will look gentle.
Show you how to do it, okay?
I will learn more.
Why not you again?
Yum.
Yum.
Nani?
That was good. Okay, oh. Fry it in. Oh, no. Okay. Not yet. All in all, I'd say my first day of 75 hard
Wasn't as hard.
is the first time around. I think now that I've done it once, I know what my weaknesses and triggers are. So it's easier to plan ahead to make sure that I
Feel a little less.
That's why I knew I needed to make the cheesecake, because last time I think I just ended up going out to buy boba at the end of the night because I needed something sweet after dinner. Anyways, thank you so much if you're still watching. Thank you for being a part of this journey. It means so much to me, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!